I started coughing 7 months ago. They gave me all the tests they could, and the last test was sputum, and they found me to be infected.
Infectious and dangerous for human health, tuberculosis remains one of the causes of death in many countries around the world, and Cameroon is no exception.
For 3 years, the data has been stagnant because in 2019, we detected nearly 25,000 cases of tuberculosis on the national territory were notified. It must be said that this still represents, according to World Health Organization estimates, for our country, half of the cases that should be notified.
With the recommendations of the World Health Organization to introduce another molecular diagnostic tool, which is TB LAMP, Cameroon sees this opportunity so that this tool is also introduced to improve the diagnosis in Cameroon.
The TB LAMP tool. It is a molecular tool for the rapid, reliable, and accurate diagnosis of pulmonary TB. The implementation of TB LAMP in Cameroon in 2017 was followed by a series of staff training for the proper use of the tool under the supervision of the Pasteur Center.
Centre Pasteur has trained 85 technicians in all laboratories in Cameroon to master this technique, to supervise these laboratories to be sure they are using the technique well.
The implementation of TB LAMP Cameroon took place in 3 stages. The first was the pilot phase, and it consisted in implementing TB LAMP in 4 high-traffic diagnostic and treatment centers. We sent a funding request to the Global Fund. The third step, therefore, after we acquired the equipment and reagents, was to extend TB LAMP throughout the country.
The whole country is already covered. The whole country, not because all the structures have TB lab, but all the regions already have this molecular tool. So we have about 27 machines that are operational in the regions of the country.
The TB LAMP technique takes place in 4 steps. It all starts with the transfer and lysis of the samples, followed by the extraction and the purification of the DNA. Loop-mediated isothermal amplification, then reading of the results. All these stages take place for about 1 hour 15 minutes.
Just finished with our first run of 14 samples, and as you can see here, the negative and the positive controls have all passed, with the negative control being clear and the positive control fluorescing with light green color, as you can see through the fluorescent dye.
Today, the new machine seems to have won hearts given its performance.
So with minimal explanation, it's easy to run the test.
Several strategies have been put in place by the NTCP, in particular the transfer of negative samples to microscopy so that they can be confirmed by a TB LAMP test, and also to use TB LAMP in screening campaigns, mass, as in prisons and communities.
The laboratory at Ebolova Regional Hospital became a reference center for 5 health facilities in the southern region. These 5 health facilities, when they have sputum with a negative microscopy, they refer the sputum to us, and thanks to TB LAMP, we can invalidate or confirm the negativity of its samples there.
Of the central prison that we visited, we took about 800 sputum deposited, and in 7 working days we had all our results.
Thanks to the right equipment like this portable solar plate, the TB LAMP machine can be used even in the most remote places where the electric current is lacking.
Previously, we had to go and take samples in the countryside and come back to work in the laboratory. Now we have a solar panel. We can move with all the equipment to the countryside and certain villages like Minawawo. We do all the tests on site.
In 2019, this device enabled me to catch 130 patients who were smear negative and positive for TB LAMP. That's why I'm very happy.
The fight against tuberculosis has been given a new lease of life thanks to TB lamp, and the needs are urgent.
We appreciate if the program can give us more so that we give the equipment to like District Hospital Kumba, which is a big center.
With the National Tuberculosis Control Program, we are planning to equip all the major diagnostic centers, the centers with high attendance with TB lamp equipment.
It must be said that Cameroon is the first country in Africa, and we are proud of it to have implemented the TB lamp technique since it was validated by the World Health Organization, and we hope that many other African countries will follow our example and implement it because it is a technique that is very useful.